Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and we have been loving Mary Ruth's multivitamin. This is the Liquid Morning Essentials, and it has everything your body will need, all of the essential vitamins and minerals. And I really like it because it has a good flavor, and it is liquid, meaning that your body can absorb more of it than a gummy or a capsule. And so it's really easy to take. You simply look at the suggested use on the back. And so for an adult, it's 2 tablespoons. If you have a kid, 1 to 3, it's half a teaspoon, and 4 to 13 years, 1 tablespoon. So you do have to refrigerate this after opening, shake well, and we take this every day, and I do notice a big difference. So I would highly recommend it. It tastes good and it's good for you, but that is just my point of view.